To enable and use Nowbar in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. We can go into lock screen and AOD, and then we can see Nowbar right here. You can also enable Nowbar for always on display. And to actually use it, first you will need to enter Nowbar settings and make sure that the Nowbar is working for all of the apps from this list. If it is only supported by some apps, so sadly you won't be able to use it for all of them. And now to actually use it, it's hard to show you because I didn't receive any Nowbar notification currently, so it doesn't show up. But normally, if for example a clock will show you a notification, then if you lock your screen, or if it's enabled for AOD as well, you should see a small bar on your lock screen right there, showing you the little capsule with notification that you're looking for. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.